45. Today we'd like to give you, the community, an update on what Macon County Healthcare Authority is doing through Tuskegee Medical Surgical here at the Thomas Reed Center. We're very excited on where we are at this time. We've had some increases in services. We've added an additional doctor. We did have 4. We're now up to 5, which does not include the specialists that we also have coming in. So to give you a really great view, first of all, I'm going to ask Ms. Cindy Thompkins to give an update in those areas, and she has some exciting news to tell you as well as far as certification and awards are concerned.
Thank you, Ms. Frazier. We're excited with the cooperation of the Utility Board for the City of Tuskegee and the City of Tuskegee itself, the Macon County Healthcare Authority. We have been able to have increased funding, which has enabled us to be able to extend our hours. Monday through Thursday, we're now open until 6 o'clock in the evening, and on Fridays we're here from 7:30 until 4:30, which is a change. We used to close at 4:30 in the afternoon, and we were only here a half a day on Friday. But now we've been able to increase our hours to where we're here all day on Friday, and we feel like we are able to serve many more people. We added a provider on July 6th, which has meant several things to our facility here. The biggest thing is that we have been able to increase the number of sick or urgent care visits that we see, which means a patient that has not established care here already can come in and see one of our providers and be treated for that because more appointment slots are available to the public. We also have spent upwards of $5,000 in the past few months with increased educational opportunities and refresher courses for Dr. Pamela Tuck and for our nurse practitioner Candace Mangum, as they have brushed up on pediatric and refreshed themselves pediatric patients in care. We're excited that we will be able to start seeing those pediatric patients as soon as we get our okay from the Vaccines for Children program through the state of Alabama. We have also been able to increase our hours in our Notasulga Healthcare office. We are now open in Notasulga all day on Mondays, but we are open Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoon, and we're accepting urgent care visits there as well. United Healthcare has awarded the Tuskegee Medical and Surgical Center as part of the Community Hospital Awards for our achievements in closing the patient care gaps for our Medicare patients. And essentially what that means is that insurance companies are now really focusing on the number of preventative maintenance and wellness requirements that we are meeting, and there are about 15 of those, and they are doing that by star quality measures, and we have been able to achieve a certain number of star quality measures so that put us in first place in the Montgomery district. So we were excited that our organization as a whole was able to be recognized with that award from United Healthcare. We feel like we are on a very good path, and we don't want to stop now, of course. We just appreciate the excitement that was shown by the community for our Bling-a-Bra competition. We thank those who came out to be a part of that. We look forward to that growing every year. We thank you for the individuals and the groups that participated. We thank you for the encouragement from the Macon County Healthcare Authority in making that a success.
And Cindy, can you share with us some of the endeavors that we're getting ready to proceed in as far as rural medicine? I believe Dr. Maxwell is proficient in rural medicine, and where we may be going with that in the near future.
The University of Alabama, through UAB's Family Medicine Residency program, has changed the course a little bit of medical school, is my understanding, and I'm not as well versed in this knowledge as Dr. Maxwell is, but I'll speak to what I know. Third-year medical students are now being placed in the Black Belt area to do their family practice rotations as well as their specialty rotations. And beginning in June of next year, we will start receiving those students here in our facility. They will be here 9 out of 12 months of their third year of the medical student training, and we're just excited about that. Dr. Maxwell is going to be the academic advisor. She is a Rural Medical Scholars graduate from the University of Alabama and attended medical school there. And she did a fellowship in rural medical medicine. So she's going to be a wonderful asset, I think, to those students, and we're excited about having them come here and be in our facility.
We want to thank Cindy for elaborating on that prospect of rural medicine coming to Macon County area. This is some of the things that we had shared with the Tuskegee City Council and the Tuskegee Utility Board as to how we were going to be reaching out and partnering with UAB to bring those residents here. And so starting in the middle of 2016, we will have residences here that will be specializing in rural medicine. And so at this time, we're going to ask our board member, Ann Brown, to elaborate also on some of the additional things that Macon County Healthcare Authority is involved in.
Good afternoon. And thank you, Madam Chairman. I just want to say thank you to our health administrator and to let you know that I'm just really excited about all the things that we are doing here at the Thomas Reed Center. I'm especially excited about the increased hours that we're providing Monday through Thursday and on Fridays, and the additional doctors and the specialists. And I think that our community, if they would visit more to find out the different types of services that we offer here, that they will be more than willing and happy to start using our facility here. If we can remember back when John Andrew Hospital closed and our county hospital closed, all of our community was busy going to the surrounding areas to get health care. But now that we have our healthcare facility here, and now that we're open for many hours of the day, I guess, and on Fridays, and we're working on weekend, trying to get the weekend hours started, so that will be a plus to our community as well. So I'm just really excited about the increased visits, the increased services that we are doing, and we look forward to assisting you in doing more.
Thank you.
Well, this is an opening quick chat with Macon County Healthcare Authority. Please stay tuned and look forward to interviews that we're going to do in the future talking about the services that are available here in Macon County. We want to give congratulations to Quality of Life on their groundbreaking on Tuesday for their new facility. And so what Macon County Healthcare Authority is about is health care and the concern of our citizens getting the best services that they can. And we believe that we have that opportunity here, and we're going to bring that information to you so that we can do exactly what Ms. Brown stated, to inform you of the services that you have here where you don't have to drive to another county to receive services. I'd just like to testify that I am a recipient of the fact that our extended hours was very beneficial to me. I was able to come over here at 5 o'clock in the afternoon when the services were still available. If extended hours had not been here, I would have had to drive several miles to get to some services. So I can testify that these services are beneficial to everyone. And we're looking forward to being able to increase them to you. So to stay tuned to Macon County Healthcare Authority, chat with the chairman.
For more information, we accept your calls at 334-727-5900. Again, that number is 334-727-5900 for Tuskegee Medical and Surgical Center.